Alright, welcome everyone. On this video, I'll be showing and explaining how you can make money in dollars through this update. If you are just joining this channel and if this is your first time seeing this video, give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. So this is the Mobiworkx. It's a survey platform. You can earn money just by answering questions. As you can see here, I've made a total of $5.25 just by answering questions, and you can make more than it. So I registered around few weeks ago, and I've made this amount. So I'm going to show you how to make money from Mobiworkx. I know most of you might have registered or might have had the account or might have had an account for around maybe few months or years, and you might not know how to navigate or answer your questions. Don't worry, I'll be showing you how you can answer questions correctly and how you can make money from this update. Let's get on to registering a new account. Um so if you tap on the link in the description below, I'll be dropping the link to this site in the description below. Thereby you can register. So this is where to bring you. If you tap on the link, you can use your Chrome browser or use any safe browser. So you enter your name, you enter your credentials, your name, your last name. Just make sure you enter your real informations. And note, if this survey only accepts people that are more than 16 or 18 thereabouts, just to be on the safer side, just input any birth date of more than 18. And it's in Nigeria. That's the most interesting and fun part of this app, of this site. It's available for Nigerians. You know, most survey sites don't allow Nigerians to take or partake in surveys, which is quite annoying. So but this Mobiworkx, you can answer surveys, can answer questions and get paid for it in Nigeria. So you enter a date of birth here, your date, your month and your year. Then you click on next. Let me just input any number. So 2000. Then you click on next. Then the next thing is that you're going to put in your informations, which is your mobile number and your password. And you make sure that your password is a very strong password with a minimum of 8 characters. Then after that, you tap on this. Then you tap on, make sure that you verify this captcha, and you tap on sign up. So it will take you to your home page. So now back to my own page, because I don't want to register a new account. Once you've been brought back to your own page, these are your own page is going to look like. So but first things first, you might be asked to answer some questions. Don't worry, they are just making sure that you answer those questions so that they can fit you into surveys. And one thing about this is that make sure that all your answers are transparent. If you're a student, you mark yourself as a student. If you are a graduate, you answer as you are. So any profile, you just make sure you maintain your profile. You don't, because about, if you can maintain another person's profile or another information or details when you're loading account, and make sure that, and you know that's easy for you, no problem, you can load small account and just maintain that profile. Just make sure that the transparency is clean, and so that they will not identify any suspicious behavior, so that it will not affect your earning. So the next thing is that you tap on your profile here. So these are the things you are going to answer. You are registering, they are going to bring it to you to answer them in the first place. You might tap cancel and you might tap later, that so that you'll be able to answer them later. But I think it's better for you to answer them. As you can see, I've answered some, but I've left some. So just make sure you answer all of them, so that because these are the things that they are going to use to qualify you or bring survey to your own page. And make sure that you grant the site access. That is, you make sure that you subscribe to their email, and make sure that you give it permission, so that anytime there is surveys, the Chrome or the browser you are using, it will bring a notification at the top that there is an available survey. And make sure that you subscribe to they are also going to be sending you emails if any survey is available. So if any survey is available, it's going to be displayed right here. Also, if you want to copy your referral link for the new users, before the users were able to copy their referral link, but the team have already removed that option, so you cannot copy referral link. You can just copy the referral link in description below to your friends or family, or you just tap on the browser button. You just tap on it and just search for Mobiworkx. Just search for Mobiworkx survey. You can see it here. So any of it just bring it here. So it's very easy to find it on your browser. You just tap on it and it will bring you to where you are going to sign up, and you can figure out the rest like I've shown you before. So it's quite easy. So that's for the referral part. And lastly, if you want to place a withdrawal, so you just have to come to this your reward section down here, and you can withdraw by through two means. You can withdraw using e-gift card or mobile top up. I prefer using the mobile top up because I am the e-gift card. I don't see any very soft good gift card here. I don't think this is for me, the just right gift card, so I'll just ignore it. But if you can find any gift card, or if any gift card is available there which you can find useful, you can redeem your price through that amount, and the minimum withdrawal is $3.25. So since I have $5.25 here, I'll just go for the mobile top up. And please note, the withdrawal section, when withdrawing, it takes up to 5 days before your withdrawal can drop. That is, when you place your withdrawal, it takes up to 5 days. So within 5 days, your withdrawal should drop. So I'll be clicking on MTN, then available balance. Okay. So make sure that you read this information below. So I'll just have to tap on this button here. Then I'll place order. And please note, the number that you use to register, it's that number that you are going to recharge, you are going to use for the withdrawal. You cannot use another number. So make sure you can use an MTN. If you use an MTN number to register, that's the number you are going to be using for withdrawal. If you use a Glow number or a Nine Mobile or the rest, that's what you are going to be using for withdrawal. If you go and use, because I don't think there's any option whereby you have to type your number, and you have to type and you have to choose the network. So the choosing of the network is for the number that you use to register. I hope you get that. So I'll just have to tap on withdraw, and now I've already placed my withdrawal. So just for you to know, this update has been paying and is still paying. It has been paying many users and it's still paying. So all you just have to do is get registered and start answering survey questions. So it's quite easy. The surveys are very easy to navigate. I think that's all you just need to know about Mobiworkx. And lastly, for the referral part, the referral ones, I don't know, maybe they'll be returning the referral link. But if you can find the referral link, if you want to find this, you can check it out under the profile. Yeah, or it should be under the more section, but I don't really know for now. But if it's there, the referral reward is $0.5 for every friend you refer that completes a survey. So if you refer a friend and he or she completes a survey successfully, you'll be receiving $0.5. And the max referral you can have per month is 5 referrals, which is equivalent to $3. So you can have a max referral of $3 per month. Alright, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel for more tips, updates, and information. Thank you.